Welcome to my channel. Today I share how to create minimal loading animation step by step in After Effects. So don't wasting time. Let's start creating this animation. Okay, first go to the new composition and take the landscape size. Okay. Now then go to the new and take a solid. Okay. The solid color is red, pale red, solid. Okay. Now I go to the ellipse tool and take an ellipse. Okay. Now the anchor point is middle and the align is center, and again take the layer, go to the layer style and take bevel and emboss. Go to the bevel and emboss. The style of the bevel emboss and the sizes of bevel and emboss 15, and the shadow opacity is 15. The highlight opacity is 15. Okay, let's look good. Now, okay. Now I didn't duplicate the ellipse layer, and the size of ellipse is 98%, and the fill of the ellipse is none, and the stroke of the ellipse is 15. Okay, and then we go to the effect and preset panel and take the deep shadow. Sorry, deep blue. Select the deep and take the deep blue. Okay, that is good. The under the deep, under the stroke or the mean ellipse, and take the theme path and go to the theme, and the end size is 15%. Okay, good. The offset is the starting point is 0, and after 4 seconds it's 1 rotate. Now, okay, that is good. Okay, now I write the 0 and anchor point is middle and the size is 20% and the LM is center. Okay, then we go to the slider. Right the slider and take the slider control of the text layer. Then go to the text, and the source text is linked with the slider control. Source text is linked with the slider control. Okay. Now go to the effect and slider control. Okay. Now first slider is 0. After 4 seconds the slider count 100%. While at the 100% is up, slider control. Okay. Now we see the animation, but it's too much embracing because of the upwind something, so it's deleted. Go to the source text and expression, select and delete it, and paste, which is even the first comment. Okay, now we see that it's look good and the first animation is complete. Okay, now I take an 8 tools for second animation. The second minimal animation I take an 8 and the index if align center and anchor point is negative. Then we go to the stoop and take plus point of dash. Now I go to the layer style and take the bevel and emboss. I'll go to the bevel and emboss, and the size of bevel and emboss is 15. Okay, it's Glangi is go perfect. Going this to go to now. Okay, now we go to apply second preset and write the drop shadow and take the drop shadow. Okay, the got shadow's opacity is 100% and then the distance of the drop shadow is 15. The softness of the opacity is 100%. Okay, looks it good. Now we go to the content and that by at theme path. The end point of the second end is 100% and the first is 0%. Okay, select it to the frame and I calculate or like 70% to 70%. So save animation. Okay, it's slow board. Now we take the texture and provide 0 and the size of the text is 40% and align is center and anchor point is made of our center. Okay. Good. Now I go to this flyer. I go to the second present and write this flyer and tag this flyer control. And then go to the text and so specific link towards base flyer. Okay, the expression of base flyer is delete and paste which I keep the permanent section. Okay. Now I go to the effect and slider control. First, slider is 0 and the after 4 seconds the slider is 100%. Okay, while CV is okay, look it's good. Now let's select the keyframe and all double key on keyframe and right bar velocity is 70% to 70%. Now we go to layer start and that bevel and emboss. Okay, go to the bevel and emboss more blending or blending option or go to the bevel and emboss and the start is emboss and the start is 15. Okay, it's look good. And now we go to the shape layer and again go to the layer style. Now I take the layer style is emboss because it's look so good. Okay, the animation is nice. Let's see it. Awesome animation of it's good. Now we say let's do layer and duplicate it. Okay. Now the first tool layer is after second for second and the first tool here is equal. And then the second tool layer is equal. Okay. Then first step here, we must use it. Opting. Select the first text here and then Windows Shift G. Okay, speed it. Now, okay. Save animation. Yeah, it's look good. And then now, the second part of the animation, the text. And på resten det beskriver is blå. Okay, this word. And select the text layer and go to the upper face. And go to the upper face section. Okay, that is select and go upper face. And the fill color of text is blue. Okay. But then the animation is completed and see you soon another minimal animation tutorial. Allah Hafiz.